Alright guys, and welcome back to this new video here. And today I want to give you a recap from one of my trades. I took this trade here on Friday, and to be honest I have to say sorry, because I think this is the first video since 3 weeks. But yeah, there are a lot of reasons for. So reason number one is I'm currently in my exam phase. I think I told you guys this already multiple times, but here again the info. And I think I still have 2 or 3 weeks more to hustle in the university to pass all my exams. And the second reason is I think you can see this here, my old computer was really bad, and now I finally bought a new MacBook. So I'm really happy with the MacBook, but the problem was I had to reinstall all the software, recording software and photo editing software. So yeah, it took a while, but now I'm finally back. I'm trying my best to make at least one video until my exams are finished. But yeah, let's get back to this entry. So you can see we had a really strong up move here, and I perfectly catched this manipulation down here. And I think I TP'd when we hit these highs here. And yeah, today I'm perfectly explaining this trade here. I'm trying my best so you can understand my model and all this stuff. So at first, why was I looking for longs? So the first thing is we had this really strong down move here. And this is the only thing what I do. Some people would say, okay, maybe we can expect continuation on Friday, but on Friday you don't really can expect continuation. So if this move here happens on a Tuesday and this here would have been Wednesday, then you can expect maybe for continuation lower. But on Friday, most of the time we don't have continuation. And also in addition to this, we had when we use standard deviation, we can see the -4 level was reached. So for me, there was actually no reason to look for shorts. And also in addition to this, when we can look on the daily chart, and that's also something I look for. We had the previous daily low here. So this was Tuesday low. You can mark this out here in red. And you can see we swapped already in the morning. So London session did it, Asia session did it. We swapped the previous daily low. So for me, there was nothing to target here. And what I also really liked was what made me more bullish. We had these clean highs here. So we had a lot of liquidity here. We had Asia session here. I mean, it got swept by this high here, but I took this long from here. So we still had Asia as a target. We had these highs here. So for me, it made a lot more sense to long this here. I mean, this year would have been also a great short, but my main focus was on longs. And let's get back to the setup. So now I'm going to this on the 1 minute chart, and let's go in the replay mode. So it was really simple, the setup. Yes, it was like this. So what I wanted to see, what time was it here? Yes, so we had the 9:30 open here. I think it was somewhere around here. Yes, so here was the 9:30 open. This was the opening range. That's the new tool I'm trying currently. I'm marking this out in orange, for example. So here was the 9:30 open. At first we had a bearish manipulation up, and then this moved down here. So at first, I have to admit here, I tried to short this, and I TP'd here, but this was just a quick scalp. That's not my model. But I mean, it could have been my model. So what we can see here, maybe we have an inversion for the gap here. So yes, if you had your order here, but you need to be really fast. So yeah, this could have been also a short move, but I have to admit I shorted somewhere here, so I did not catch this entry here. But like I said, my main buyers were bullish, so I closed this short immediately once we were here. And what I simply did was I took standard deviation from here. So this was the last manipulation move up before this down move. And what you can see here, and that's what I want to, that's what I look for in price. I want to see alignment. So we have this low here and this -2.5 zone, and that's all I want to see. And price swept these 2 lows here. We hit the zone here, and then yes, price went a lot deeper. So you can see this here. We hit the -3 level almost, but I don't really care. A lot of people ask me, okay, what is when price gets deeper? I don't care. I just want to see price hit this level here. I don't really care if it goes a bit lower. That's completely fine. And so we swapped this high here, this low here, sorry. We have bullish buyers. We already had previous daily low, and that's the red line I just marked you out in the beginning of the video. And the only thing I want to see is on the hourly chart. So this is the chart you can see here. I want to see the hourly high, the hourly low swept, and that's exactly the same low here. So this was the previous hourly low. You can see this here, 8 a.m. And yeah, that was the low before, and price swept this low here. And that's actually it. And then you just want to try to get in. And for this, you can use multiple mechanisms. And yeah, what I'm using is breakers or inversion for failure gaps. So it's simply just this one here on the 1 minute chart. And yeah, I placed my order here. Stop loss was actually somewhere here. And yeah, then it depends what you want to target. If I'm trading against my bias, I would TP here. But yeah, on this day my TP was somewhere here. And this is actually how you can catch these 4-hour trades. So we can just let this play out here. I mean, it took a while for price to get up, but yeah, later on we finally hit the TP. Yeah, sorry for this, but yeah, you can see it works. And you don't really have a high frequency when you use this model, so maybe you have 1 or 2 trades a day, but I think that's what we all want to look for, you know? Like, I don't want to sit 8 hours in front of a screen and get headache from it. And that's it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, see you next time.